spices. Our friends at Dowan sent us this beautiful set of 4 porcelain matching bowls with matching spoons. And they sent it to us so that we could make some soup for you guys. So in today's video, we are gonna make some chicken fajita soup in the Instant Pot. Now this recipe is delicious, easy to make, it's keto friendly, low carb, so let's go spice things up. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna add to the pot is 1 32-ounce container of chicken broth, which is also 4 cups. Now I'm going to add 3 chicken breasts to my pot. If they're really big breasts, then you can just add 2. These are kind of medium size, and we like lots of chicken. Next, we are going to add 1 onion that I already chopped up. Just put that on the top. Next, we're going to add some bell peppers. We are going to add a green one and a red one. I only cut up half of each, and we just want to put it in the pot. You can add a whole if you prefer lots of peppers. Now we're going to add 2 10-ounce cans of diced tomatoes with green chili in it, or green chilies. And now you'll want to mince 3 garlic cloves.
Now you want to add to your pot 1 package of fajita seasoning.
And now you want to put the lid on. Turn it to sealing. Alright, so now we're going to turn on the manual button, and we want to cook it for 15 minutes, and then we are going to let it naturally release for 10 minutes.
If you like the bowls, you can go to dowan.com and check out their site.
Alright, so now you want to release the pressure. Alright, time to open it up. Alright, so now you want to find your chicken and take it out and just set it aside. It doesn't like me finding the chicken. So you can shred it. Okay, so to the pot you'll want to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. And once you shredded your chicken, you'll want to add it right back into the pot. And then just stir this until the cream cheese melts all the way. And once your cream cheese has melted, you're ready to go ahead and serve them in these beautiful bowls. Add a little bit of cheese to the top and a little bit of tortilla chips. And then you are ready to eat it. So good. Link to these bowls will be in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to see any more videos, click this link or this link. If you'd like to subscribe, click my face. And remember, I'm always here to help you make beautiful memories through food. Bye, and see you in the next video.